What's going on, guys? And today we'll try to fix the seat paint, which is basically gray color, and we'll try to paint it a little cheap way. So it's a 335XI 2008. So as you can see, we got a little spot here, which is darker area. It's not the dirt. You've been cleaning the seat, and this is the paint. Have little rip. It's more damage on actual leather. So we're gonna try to fix it with acrylic paint. The leather texture is okay, so we're gonna wash out the leftovers. But all this like leather structure, there's little cracks between of them. We got this little darker spots. I'll try to fill them up. For right now, I'm gonna try to use running grain, and then if it's not gonna work, if it's a little bit too light, I will add little black color in there, and hopefully we're gonna fill it up this spots here. So let's check out what's going on there.
The first sample is straight out of the bottle, which is grainy grain. As you can see, it's really light, so we're definitely gonna need to premix it with a little extra paint. But before that, let's clean the area with the regular interior cleaner. I'm using the Griot's Garage, and as you can see, the crack got more exposed because of the leather structure absorb all type of liquids, which is great. In our case, the acrylic paint gonna be absorbed with that, like the mesh which is on the background, and that's gonna get us to the point we want to be. Why am I using acrylic paint? Because you can easily remove it in a couple of minutes after you apply it. Also, after an hour, it's hard enough to not easily wipe or wash it with the cleaner, the interior cleaner. But I would suggest you not to paint the whole seat with it. It might transparent on your shirt, but I never experienced that. So just keep in mind, like, easier to work with the small areas and with the problematic areas since it's temporary fix. So we premix in paint either with the white and black or gray and black. Obviously for the gray interior. For the yellow interior, I forgot the color, the sand something. I've been trying to like match the colors, but it didn't happen. So if somebody knows the proportion and what kind of acrylic paint to use, just leave me a comment below and share me your story if you got pretty good results out of it or not. So after we make the color match, of course, with a bunch of tries and checks how close the color match you got, I'm adding more and more black paint to it. I'm getting the pretty good results. I'm not getting to the perfection of it because the area which I'm working with is going to be really small, and it's not going to be like super visual. You can use the microfiber towel or rag for applying the paint, which is also the microfiber towel have the structure, and it's gonna get the paint inside of this cracks, as well as it going to absorb the leftovers, which is another great thing. 10 minutes later after applying, you can do light wipe with the interior cleaner to remove the leftovers of the paint. Basically, the acrylic paint not going to stick to the actual leather paint, but it definitely going to absorb in those like cracks, which is gonna be harder to wash it out. So if you're gonna do the quick wipe with the interior cleaner, that will do the job. I think the result is very good for as cheap as $3 worth of acrylic paint from the Walmart. And with that being said, if you guys try it out and it happens as you was suspecting or you wasn't, just leave me a comment below, just share your story. That's gonna be feedback for me as well. If somebody figure out what type of paint you use for different type of colors of the seats, also leave me a comment below.
Anyway, guys, if you like the video, please put the thumbs up button there, subscribe my channel down there, and leave me a comment below. See you next one.